Hi everyone, welcome back to Alex English Learning Routine. And today we're going to talk about something that matters to everyone, health. Let me ask you a quick question. How often do you talk about health in English? Think about it. Every time you visit a doctor, talk about how you're feeling, or even discuss your diet and fitness, you're actually using health-related English. So, being able to talk about health confidently is not only useful, it's essential. In this video, you're going to learn how to talk about health in English naturally. We'll go through common words, phrases, and expressions you can use in real-life conversations. You'll also hear some example dialogues between Ava and Emma, so you can understand how people talk about health in everyday situations. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe how you feel, talk about your lifestyle, discuss healthy habits, and even express when something is wrong, all in clear, natural English. So, let's get started. Section 1. Why talking about health matters. Health is one of those universal topics. Everyone experiences it and everyone talks about it. Whether you're healthy, tired, stressed, or sick, you need the right words to explain it. In English, talking about health helps you express how you feel, ask for help or advice, talk about your habits and lifestyle. Understand what others are going through. For example, imagine you're at a doctor's office or talking to a friend. You should be able to say things like, "I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. I'm trying to eat healthier. I need to get more sleep." These sentences are simple, but they're powerful. They help you communicate clearly and naturally. Section 2. Basic health vocabulary. Let's begin with some basic health-related words and phrases you should know. General health words.
Healthy,
Unhealthy,
sick, ill, pain,
fever, headache,
cold, cough,
sore throat, medicine,
doctor,
hospital, exercise,
diet,
rest. Let's see some examples. I feel healthy today. I think I'm getting a cold. I have a headache. You should take some medicine. He's at the hospital. You can see how often we use these in daily life. Section 3. Describing how you feel. Sometimes you feel great. Other times you don't. Let's learn how to describe your condition in English. When you feel good. I feel great today. I'm full of energy. I'm in good shape. I feel healthy and strong. I'm well rested. When you don't feel well. I don't feel very well.
I'm tired,
I feel weak. I have a headache. I'm feeling dizzy. My throat hurts. I have a cold. Example conversation. Ava. Hey Emma, you don't look so good. Are you okay? Emma. I think I'm catching a cold. My throat is sore. Ava. Oh no. Did you take any medicine? Emma. Not yet. I'm going to rest first. Ava. That's a good idea. Get some sleep and drink lots of water. This kind of short conversation is very common and useful. Section 4. Common health problems. Here are some common health problems people often talk about. Headache, stomachache, back pain, toothache, fever,
cold, cough,
flu, allergies, sore throat.
tiredness,
You can use these in sentences like, I have a headache. My back hurts. I caught the flu last week. I'm allergic to dust. I've been coughing a lot. Example. Ava, you sound sick, Emma. Do you have a cold? Emma, yes, I've been coughing for 2 days. Ava, that's terrible. You should rest. Emma, I know, but I still have to go to work. Ava, try to take it easy. Section 5. Visiting the doctor. When you're not feeling well, you might need to visit a doctor. Let's learn some useful expressions for that situation. Useful phrases. I need to see a doctor. I'm not feeling well. I think I have a fever. My head hurts. I've been coughing for 3 days. I have a sore throat. I need some medicine. Here's an example conversation between a patient and a doctor. Ava, good morning, doctor. Doctor, good morning. What seems to be the problem? Ava, I've had a fever and sore throat since yesterday. Doctor, do you have a cough? Ava, yes, a little. Doctor, you probably have a cold. Get plenty of rest, drink fluids, and take this medicine twice a day. Ava, thank you, doctor. Simple, polite, and clear. That's how you talk about your health with professionals. Section 6. Talking about healthy habits. Good health isn't only about being free from illness. It's also about maintaining healthy habits. Here are some phrases you can use to talk about your daily healthy habits. I eat vegetables every day. I drink a lot of water. I try to avoid junk food. I go for a walk every morning. I sleep 8 hours a night. I practice yoga. I go to the gym 3 times a week. Conversation example. Ava, do you have a healthy routine, Emma? Emma, I try to. I drink water, exercise, and eat fruits every day. Ava, that's great. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Emma, that's a good idea. Small changes make a big difference. Section 7. Unhealthy habits and how to talk about them. Now, let's talk about the opposite, unhealthy habits. Common phrases. I don't get enough sleep. I eat too much junk food. I drink too much coffee. I spend too much time on my phone. I don't exercise regularly. Examples. I need to stop eating late at night. I've been skipping breakfast lately. I really need to sleep earlier. Conversation. Ava, I feel tired all the time. Emma, maybe you're not sleeping enough. Ava, you're right. I stay up late watching shows. Emma, try going to bed earlier. It really helps. Section 8. Talking about exercise and fitness. Exercise is a big part of a healthy lifestyle, so let's learn how to talk about it in English. Common exercise verbs.
Run, walk, swim, stretch,
Lift weights,
do yoga,
ride a bike, work out. Useful sentences. I go for a run every morning. I work out at the gym.
ido yoga to relax.
I like swimming. It's great exercise. I try to stay active. Conversation. Ava, do you go to the gym, Emma? Emma, yes, 3 times a week. I do cardio and light weights. Ava, that's great. I prefer jogging in the park. Emma, that's nice too. The fresh air helps. Section 9. Talking about diet and food. Healthy eating is another important part of health. Let's learn how to describe your diet. Useful words: balanced diet, vegetables, fruits, proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, junk food,
snacks,
useful sentences. I try to eat a balanced diet. I eat a lot of vegetables. I avoid fried food. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm cutting down on sugar. I drink smoothies for breakfast. Example: Ava, what kind of diet do you follow? Emma, I just try to eat healthy. Lots of fruits, vegetables, and water. Ava, that's good. I need to stop eating fast food. Emma, it's okay to treat yourself sometimes, just not every day. Section 10. Talking about mental health. Health isn't just about the body, it's also about the mind. Let's talk about mental health. Useful expressions. I've been feeling stressed lately. I'm trying to relax more. I feel anxious sometimes. I take time to rest my mind. I practice meditation. Talking to friends helps me feel better. Example: Ava, you seem quiet today. Are you okay? Emma, I'm just a bit stressed. Work has been busy. Ava, you should take a break or go for a walk. Emma, I will. It helps clear my mind. This kind of conversation is gentle, supportive, and shows emotional awareness, something very natural in English-speaking cultures. Section 11. Expressing advice about health. When talking about health, people often give or ask for advice. Let's learn some polite ways to do that. Giving advice: you should drink more water. Try to get some rest. You need to take a break. It's important to eat well. Don't skip breakfast. Asking for advice: what should I do? Do you have any tips? How do you stay healthy? What do you recommend? Example: Ava, I've been feeling tired lately. What should I do? Emma, you should sleep more and drink enough water. Ava, you're right. I usually sleep late. Emma, try sleeping early for a week. You'll feel better. Section 12. Talking about illnesses and recovery. Let's learn how to talk about being sick and getting better. When you're sick: I caught a cold. I'm not feeling well. I have a fever. I've been coughing. When you're recovering: I'm feeling better now. I'm almost back to normal. The medicine helped. I just needed rest. Example: Ava, you were sick last week, right? How are you now? Emma, I'm much better now. I just needed a few days of rest. Ava, that's good to hear. Emma, yeah, I learned I need to take better care of myself. Section 13. Talking about health goals. Many people set goals to improve their health. Let's learn how to talk about them. Useful sentences: I want to eat more vegetables. I plan to exercise every day. I'm trying to quit smoking. I want to lose a few kilos. I'm working on reducing stress. Example: Ava, do you have any health goals this year? Emma, yes, I want to sleep earlier and exercise more. Ava, that's great. I want to cook at home instead of eating out. Emma, that's a good habit to build. Section 14. Healthy lifestyle conversation, full dialogue. Ava, Hey, Emma, how are you feeling today? Emma, pretty good, actually. I've been eating healthy and sleeping well. Ava, that's great. I've been trying to do the same, but it's hard sometimes. Emma, I know. It's all about balance. I don't follow a strict diet, but I try to eat clean during the week. Ava, I like that. What about exercise? Emma, I do yoga 3 times a week and go for a walk every evening. Ava, wow, that's impressive. I usually just walk my dog in the mornings. Emma, that counts as exercise too. Ava, true. I've also been trying to spend less time on my phone before bed. Emma, that's such a good habit. It helps you sleep better. Ava, exactly. I notice that when I scroll before bed, I wake up tired. Emma, same here. Now I read or listen to calming music before sleeping. Ava, I'll try that. Thanks for the idea. Section 15. Expressing sympathy or concern. When someone else isn't feeling well, you should know how to respond politely. Useful phrases. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better soon. Take care of yourself. Get some rest. That sounds tough. Let me know if you need anything. Example. Ava, I caught a cold last night. Emma, oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Get some rest and drink lots of fluids. Ava, thanks, I'll do that. These phrases show kindness and care, an important part of communication. Section 16. Mini practice questions. Let's practice a few questions you can ask or answer about health. How do you stay healthy? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Do you exercise regularly? How many hours do you sleep? Have you ever been to the hospital? What do you do when you get sick? How do you deal with stress? What's your favorite healthy food? Do you prefer going to the gym or exercising at home? What's one unhealthy habit you want to change? These are great questions to practice speaking and build your confidence. Section 17. Quick review. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Health vocabulary, words like cold, cough, fever, medicine, diet, and exercise. How to describe how you feel. I feel great, or I'm not feeling well. Talking about common problems and habits. Giving and receiving advice about health. Discussing physical and mental well-being. Having natural, friendly conversations about healthy living. If you practice these expressions regularly, you'll be able to talk about health naturally and confidently in any situation. Conclusion. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about health in English. Remember, good English isn't about using big words. It's about expressing yourself clearly. And health is something we all talk about, so these phrases are incredibly useful in daily life. Try practicing with a friend, or even talk to yourself about your health habits, your diet, or your daily routine. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll sound. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Alex English Learning Routine, and share it with someone who's also learning English. Now tell me in the comments, what's one healthy habit you're proud of? Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your health, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.